In today's video guys, let's take a closer look and review Telesin Action Camera Neck Holder version 2.0. This accessory lets you hold the camera on your chest and record some POV shots, keeping your hands free. So if you don't want to carry too many accessories with you and you want to keep things simple, then this accessory can be pretty useful for traveling and everyday use. Now let me show you what kind of shots you can get with it. So what you get inside of the package is the Action Camera Neck Holder version 2.0, which has been slightly redesigned and improved to make it more comfortable and useful. You also get a Velcro strap that you can attach to it for increased security and more stable shots in general in extreme scenarios. And lastly, a 1/4-inch thread adapter and a thumb screw. So when you hold this accessory on your neck, it lets you focus the camera angle on whatever you're doing with your hands. It basically works just like a chest mount from GoPro, and it offers immersive POV angles in all sorts of activities such as kayaking, cycling, or spending time with your family, all sorts of activities where you simply want to have your hands free. What's really cool about it is that you can quickly mount it on your body, get the POV shot that you want, and then just quickly remove it. All takes just a matter of seconds. The whole material that this accessory is made of is so soft and flexible. Literally, you can bend it however you like. So you can use this accessory as a camera grip. You just get yet another perspective to record yourself. And it's good enough for some casual shots, yet nothing too serious. Or, since this thing is so flexible, you can bend it however you like and just place it on the ground to use as a small tripod. In case you want to record for TikTok or YouTube, you can rotate the camera by 90 degrees angle, so you can record vertically or horizontally. You don't need any extra attachments, change any settings, which is very convenient. Neck holder also comes with some straps that you can attach to it to make it more secure and stable. So it's like a chest mount from GoPro, firmly attached to the body. So if you want to get a more riskier shot and record in rough terrain, then it will keep the camera in place and prevent it from bouncing on your chest. So that's basically everything that Telesin neck holder has to offer. And it costs only around $25 on official Telesin website. So I think it's quite affordable, since you can use it for POV, selfie, and as a mini tripod, it can be quite useful. You can get a bit of everything with it. And it's also worth to mention that this accessory is compatible with mobile phones if you order it with a proper adapter. Now, if you found some value in my content and you learned something from it, and you want to learn more, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way, you support my channel by a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!